How to uninstall apps that you installed on your OnePlus Watch 2. So just keep in mind, this is not available for every app you have on your OnePlus Watch 2. This is most likely available for apps that you might have installed onto your OnePlus Watch 2 after this setup. So let's go ahead and get started. Starting from the clock face view here, you'll swipe down from the very top and you'll go to the main settings right here. Once in this section here now, you'll want to go all the way down to the part that says apps and notifications. Tap on that one time here and you'll go down to the part that says app storage, this right here. Now that you're here, you'll look for the app that you don't want. And again, this option isn't available for every app here, as you cannot uninstall every app on your smartwatch itself. So maybe something that you might have installed after you got your smartwatch here. And for me, one of these could be this one here. Let me see if I can find it for you. This one right here, you can uninstall. This is probably one of those system settings that you probably just can't remove or uninstall. But the point I'm trying to make here is if there's an app, you'll find the app and you'll go down within the app info section, and to the very bottom, you'll see uninstall. When you see it, that means you can uninstall that app and remove it, okay? Don't go ahead now and start uninstalling everything that you don't know, as you might lose important features for your smartwatch. Like and sub.